Welcome to this trigonometry lesson. Today, we are going to explore the period of the sine function. Specifically, we will learn how to calculate the length of one complete cycle and understand how the coefficient of x affects the frequency of the wave. Let's start with the basics. A sine wave is a smooth, repetitive oscillation that represents the value of sine x as x increases. The pattern repeats itself indefinitely. The most important concept here is the cycle. One full repetition of the wave's shape is called a complete cycle. For the standard sine function, y equals sine of x, the period is exactly 2 pi radians. This is approximately 6.28. This means that every 2 pi units along the x-axis, the graph completes one full pattern and starts over. However, equations often look a bit more complex. You might see y equals sine of b times x here. The variable b represents the angular frequency. This number is crucial because it controls how fast the wave oscillates. It acts as a speed multiplier for the angle. To find the period of any sine function, we use a simple formula. The period equals 2 pi divided by the absolute value of b. Remember, 2 pi is the standard length, and we divide it by our coefficient b to see how the length changes. Let's look at an example where the frequency is high. Consider y equals sine of 2x here. Our b value is 2. Using our formula, we divide 2 pi by 2, which gives us a period of just pi. This means the wave completes its cycle twice as fast as the standard wave. It is compressed horizontally. Now, let's try a low-frequency example. Consider y equals sine of 0.5x here. Our b value is 0.5, or 1/2. Dividing 2 pi by 0.5 gives us 4 pi. The period is now twice as long. The wave is stretched out and takes much longer to complete a cycle. Here is a summary of how the coefficient b affects the graph. If b is 1, we have the standard 2 pi period. If b is greater than 1, the period is smaller than 2 pi, resulting in a compressed, faster wave. If b is between 0 and 1, the period is larger than 2 pi, resulting in a stretched, slower wave. Why does this matter? This concept appears everywhere in physics. In sound, high-frequency waves create high pitch, while low-frequency waves create deep bass. In electricity, the alternating current in your house follows a sine wave pattern with a very specific frequency to power your devices safely. To recap what we learned today, the standard period of sine is 2 pi. The coefficient b changes this period. You can always find the new period by dividing 2 pi by the absolute value of b. A larger b means a faster, shorter wave, and a smaller b means a slower, longer wave. Thanks for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.